How's it going, guys? So this is my question, and it's regarding dodgeball in physical education. Is it a harmless game or a tool of oppression? So recently, in the National Post, um, an article regarding the ethics of dodgeball came up. So, in the National Post, they wrote an article labeling dodgeball as a miseducative sport or activity in physical education because it reinforces the five faces of oppression. So, they said that it reinforces marginalization, powerlessness, and helplessness of those perceived individuals through the exercise of violence and dominance by those who are considered more powerful. Um, Now, I know in IS there's only a handful of us that are in phys ed or that will be dealing with phys ed. However, in PJ, um, you know, since there's not really any specialization, some of you guys might end up teaching phys ed. So my question is, what do you think about dodgeball and its ethics? Is it a sport which reinforces the five faces of oppression? Do you agree with this article, or is it a sport that you think or you deem as harmless fun and you'll continue running it as an activity? So I kind of just wanted to get your thoughts on where you stand on the issue, whether you think that it's true dodgeball should not be allowed in physical education because of the nature of the sport, the violence, and the marginalization of quote unquote weaker individuals, or do you think it's just a game, just like in many other games in physical education, and that it is harmless and the kids are having fun, regardless of the perceived violent nature of dodgeball? So that's my question. I hope you guys like this video and give me a couple of responses so we can stir up some conversation. Thank you and take care.